Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Tinder account. So if you haven't downloaded Tinder app, download it now. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. As you can see, the app has been downloaded in my phone. I'll tap on open. Below you'll see an option of login with Google, login with Facebook, or login with your phone number. Here I'm about to log in with my phone number. So I'll enter my phone number. After that, tap on continue. Here you'll receive a verification code on your phone number. After you receive your verification code, enter the number and tap on continue. Now you must enter your email ID. After entering your email ID, tap on continue. Below you'll see information. You can read it and tap on I agree. Now you must write your first name. Tap on continue. Now you must enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, tap on continue. Now you can choose your gender. After that, tap on continue. After that, again you must tap on the orientation. Tap on continue. Again you must select the option below. After that, tap on continue. Enter your university name and tap on continue. Now select the option about your passion. After that, tap on continue. Now add any of the photo you want to add. Tap on plus sign. OK. Allow. You can take a picture or select any picture from your gallery. Here I have selected one of the photo. At the upper right corner you'll see an option of next. Tap on that. At the top screen you'll see an option of add at least 2 photos to continue. So you must add one more photo to continue. Again tap on plus sign. Go to your gallery. Click any of the picture you want to post. Tap on that. And tap on next. Now as you have selected 2 of your pictures, continue. Or if you want to select more picture, you can select and post. Here again you'll see the option of location. You can allow location. Now you have successfully created your Tinder account. You can start your tutorials or skip. So these are the few steps how you can create your Tinder account. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.